Anglong media muni fan ki nut fan ne respect pe thek thek pin bolo gupi gam respect po respect ma phala dipi ge Anglong media muni tumge higher secondary pass lahai pen da ki litundo asi atume thek thek puchi ni muni
So this disrespectful attitude of that particular individual, I just want to remind him that many of us who are here are senior enough. We are into this profession for more than, some of us are more than 15 years, 20 years. So I just want to remind him that we are senior enough and we have experienced a lot in this few journey of ours. I just want to remind Mr. Hanse that before spelling out on the media fraternity based in Karbi, I just want to let him know, I want to remind him to please understand or please read or go through the history of journalism in Karbi in particular. We are still in a nascent stage. We are in an early stage. We are in a learning process. We are still a far way to go. We know our limitation. We know our limitation. We know where we have, sometimes we face a lot of obstacles while imparting our duties. We travel far and wide of this land to cover for a news. We travel a lot, we experience a lot, and you will never know about what we have gone through in all of these years. Our pain, our struggles, that we have given for this profession, you will never know. That's why you have disrespected us, which we take it as an offense, because no matter what you claim to be about yourself, you may be a great person, you may be a highly qualified person, you may be very good in speaking, you may be a very good content creator. We respect that. We respect your professionalism, the way you are doing it right now. We respect that. We sometimes follow your content also on social media. We tend to believe that some of the contents you bring out is really very relevant, very pertinent. It's very educative for all of us. We enjoy watching that. But we never thought that you will reduce yourself to such a level that make us believe that you are actually what you are not. You are supposed to be the torch bearer. The way you speak, the way your qualifications is all about. You are supposed to lead us. You are supposed to speak on behalf of us. When we have limitations, when we have shortages, you are supposed to help us out, to speak on our behalf. Like our president has said, for a community like us, we have few learned people, those who run after knowledge or wisdom. We have shortage of that. And I find in you that ray of hope that you will provide something meaningful to the Karbi community as a whole and to the journalistic fraternity in particular. But what we have seen in your recent video is really, really disheartening. It's defamatory. It is unfit for a person who created a very knowledgeable content, and he speaks in such a language which berate all the journalist fraternity. Though we may be very illiterate, some of us are maybe class 8 pass or 9 pass or 10 pass or higher secondary pass. There may be many. But where do you see? You just go across Press Council of India, their rules or guidelines or whatever, or the government guidelines or whatever. If there is any qualifications required for to become a journalist, there is no such thing. There is no guideline that to become an engineer you have to become a BE or BTech, something like that. In a journalism field, in a journalistic field, we don't have such kind of degree requirement. Where do you see? This is what I want to ask you. Where do you see that to become a journalist you have to have a particular a degree, mass communication or journalism course? Where do you see all this? How can you comment such a thing which is not there? It's really, really laughable and ridiculous. And you talked about commerce. How can a commerce person be a journalist? Ranbeer, this is what I would like to remind you, that have you followed the CNBC, the business news, all those people? Most of you will find that they are not from the media professions. They are either from MBA or some, they will be people graduated from some business school. But they are doing the business journalism and all. So please go through this, what I would like to suggest. And if you have any problem with us, then you can reach us. We have a digital forum here in Karbi, or there is press club here in Karbi. You can communicate with us. If you have found any limitations with us, you can discuss with us. But please, I would like to request you that don't berate the people, those who are working day and night, just for a piece of news. This is what I would like to request you. Don't berate. And this is what I would like to request you also, that don't brag. It doesn't fit you. You may be a very highly qualified person, but don't brag. This is very, very unprofessional, and it's very attitudinal. This is what I would like to say. And the last thing that I would like to request you is that please make an unconditional apology. This is what I would like to request from you. Thank you.